Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're tackling a massive headache, the science of clean kitchen floors in Johannesburg. Ever wonder why standard cleaners fail in kitchens? Honestly, it all boils down to stubborn fat and chemistry. General cleaners, they just push grease around. Plus, raw food drops invisible threats like salmonella and E. coli. Here's the deal. Cleaning physically removes that nasty fat, but you've got to disinfect to actually kill those bacteria. So to really beat that stubborn kitchen grease, you absolutely need alkaline surfactants to emulsify the fat. Now, Johannesburg sits at an altitude of 1,753 meters. Why on earth does that matter for floors? Well, at this altitude, our municipal water is super hard, packed with dissolved calcium and magnesium bicarbonates. That hard water leaves a frustrating white haze after mopping. Cheap cleaners literally cannot handle it. The secret weapon here? Chelating agents. They bind those harsh minerals so your floors dry crystal clear. To conquer both grease and hard water, Ntobi Cleaning Supplies recommends a very specific two-product system. Check this out. You use a heavy-duty formula for deep grease and Floor Shine for weekly maintenance. That heavy-duty cleaner tackles compacted grease and restores grout color. It's strictly for periodic, intense cleaning. Next up, the Floor Shine maintains hygiene and builds a light protective film against daily scuffing. But wait, what about anti-slip commercial tiles? Those textured ridges trap fat and bacteria incredibly fast. The fix? Dilute the cleaner 1 to 10, let it sit to penetrate that grease, then scrub firmly. For commercial setups, buying wholesale concentrates totally lowers costs and works perfectly with heavy scrubber dryer machines. Okay, huge warning here. Never ever try to create a super cleaner by mixing different products together. Seriously, do not mix them. Combining alkaline cleaners with acidic descalers can literally release toxic chlorine gas. Always use products individually at their proper dilution and fully rinse floors before switching product chemistries. So, with the right chemistry, what's it going to be? Finally clean those floors or just feed the bacteria?